Hi guys, so this is just a bit of a kind of a miscellaneous clip if you like. What happened was we were down at one of our kind of usual haunts and we just came back. We'd been away doing some bits and pieces and tidying some sites up and that, and we came back, driving back through, and we'd seen that there was an offloader kind of group of people that were buried in, and it was just hung up on a fallen tree. So we decided, yeah, okay, we'll pull him out, that's fine. But he didn't really have anywhere for us to attach our big we used kind of kinetic ropes, and we also used massive big 2-inch wide or 2-inch thick steel cable, which you can see in the back of the tractor. But there was nowhere for us to attach it. So they tied a ratchet strap around some part of the vehicle, the back of the vehicle, and I tried to attach it to the front point of our tractor, but obviously I think the ratchet strap's seen better days and it maybe didn't have what it needed to hold, and it kept breaking. But eventually they got out. I think we managed to dislodge him enough that he just kind of put the foot down and went for it. Actually later on that day we were coming back out just to put it on the loader and get away, and we seen he broke a tie rod, and he was in a ditch, and the car was in a pretty sorry state. So anyway, yeah, that's really about it, guys. It's not a great video, but it's something interesting. We like to share experiences with you as and when we can. Hope everybody's having a great new year.